afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to our vlog!
So if you are new to our channel, please do click
Subscribe!
and also don't forget to click the
Notification bell!
yes, so that you will be notified
If ever we have a new video
to upload. Alright, so for today guys, we're going to have a boodle fight, right?
Yes, also known as mukbang.
Mukbang, and we'll do that one together with our family. Yes, hello guys. So,
Ito na po yung aming boodle fight food.
yes, na aming
We have
gagawin.
here crabs,
Yeah.
tempura, lumpia, scallops, shrimps, octopus.
Squid. Squid. Okay, then.
And squid.
Wow.
Liempo,
Okay.
mango, of course, our soft drinks.
Yes,
Sprite.
right. There you go.
Same.
And also we do have a pancit
Bihon.
bihon, yes.
Saute.
And
Wine! We also have wine.
Maria Clara. And of course, ang pinaka dili ta pwede mo kaon kung wala ni siya ang rice.
Because we're Filipino.
yes, we do love rice.
Sige po.
Okay, so kakain.
So ito na po, ipapakalala ko sa inyo yung La Familia ko, family ko. My sister,
Yes, hi.
my brother, father, mother,
Mom.
and our chef cook. My sister and my beautiful niece.
Hello, Sophia, say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Okay.
Alright?
So,
So
now,
let's
guys,
do this.
Yes, samahan niyo kami
Kainan na.
sa aming tanghalian, di ba? Okay, let's go.
Yum, yum, yum.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, and we're
We're
back! Yeah, so busog na po kami. Busog na kami sa aming tanghalian.
Yes, sana kayo din nabusog sa kakanood.
Yes. But anyway guys,
Hindi po namin naubos, guys.
Yes.
Yung mga tao po nagda-diet po. Pamilya ko, nagda-diet po.
But anyway, meron pang isa.
Ayan, kumakain.
Yes, yung nagluluto sa amin ng tanghalian.
Wow.
So, yes, hi sister.
Kaya po kasi nilang tumaba, guys. Lalo na ako, ayokong tumaba.
Well,
Nagda-diet ako.
Wow!
Pero nag-cheat day ako. Hi mga cheaters.
say hi. Alright, so guys, yun lang po. We do hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video na to. And please don't forget again to
Subscribe,
and
like,
Mhm.
and click the notification bell for you to be notified if ever we have a new video.
Yes, thank you so much guys.
Bye-bye!
Have a great day.